Unlock the secrets of the stock market and take control of your financial future with Pinstock, your gateway to the world of stock market education and success. We equip you with a complete understanding of the stock market, demystify SEBI regulations, introduce you to stockbrokers' platforms, and reveal various ways of trading and investing. In just 5 days of immersive classes priced at an incredible 3,000 rupees, our expert instructors will transform you into a savvy investor. You'll learn the fundamentals, strategies, and tactics to navigate the stock market with confidence. But there's more. After completing our classes, you'll be invited to join our exclusive Pinstock Prime community. For just 5,000 rupees per month, you'll gain access to a world of benefits. A dedicated trading space, our advanced charting tool, daily market research, and a guiding instructor at your side. The total fee for new joiners is just 8,000 rupees. After that, it's only 5,000 rupees per month, a small investment for a lifetime of financial growth. Join the Pinstock revolution today and let us be your guiding light in the world of stock market success. Don't miss out. Contact us now to reserve your spot.